Alright guys, here it is. It's already in the ground. It took some time, but we finally got it in. This is the Wurtz, also known as a Littlecado or a dwarf hybrid. This one is looking pretty good so far. I mean, oh, there's a birdie, a little birdie. Anyways, so this is me just documenting this Wurtz as of today, May 17th, which is tax day. So actually May 17th, 2021, tax day, and hopefully we'll be able to kind of see what this thing looks like in a couple months from now, or even a year from now if I do this again. But finally got it in. I'm glad it's in. I don't have a water line set up to it yet, but I will be setting it up pretty soon. So in the meantime, we will have to water by hand. Hopefully I'll be around and don't forget. So but I did my normal planting routine, just dig a hole, and you guys already saw the hole that I had for the ash tree that I dug out, and then I mixed in some perlite with the native soil, and that's it. And then on top of that I threw on the mulch and the fertilizer and the gypsum. So everything in the root ball is just native soil and perlite, nothing organic at all. So that seems to be working well here for me. I do have some pretty good soil. It is pretty free draining, which is good. Not very much clay, which is good. So this should do well where it's at right now. Anyways, so I wanted to make sure that I stake this Wurtz. So I had one stake ready to go, and it's already up. I don't know if it's going to get that big, but we will see. Something to note, I've seen these Wurtz kind of just kind of lay flat, kind of low sprawling, and they don't grow necessarily more upright. So I hope that this one goes a little bit more upright, so my plan is to kind of train it using the stake. Hopefully it will kind of work that way, but if it doesn't, then we will see what we're going to do to kind of maybe try to push it up a little higher by using some string and all sorts of different things. But so in addition to that, I ordered some nozzles, some micro spray nozzles, and they finally came in. Of course, everything's made in China nowadays. A bag of 50, about $10. So I have a bunch that I'm using down in my orchard, and I ran out, so I needed some more. So this was perfect timing. Got this in-house. We will be running a water line to this and getting this hydrated, of course. This is another variety that I got that I staked up yesterday. It's starting to outgrow the stake that came with the nursery. This is my Zutano avocado. The Zutano is a B type, and it's used as a pollinator for A types, and a lot of orchards are actually growing Zutanos as a pollinator for their Hass groves. So they'll put 1 or 2 per acre, and it helps kind of get the Hass to fruit more, supposedly. So I have it right next to my reed, which I've already shown you, and on this side is my Hass. So in between the 2 A types, I have this B type Zutano, and staked it up just yesterday because it was starting to outgrow the post, and hopefully get it to kind of grow a little taller and more upright. Such a weird day in California right now. It's kind of hazy and cloudy, which is good, kind of keeps it a little cooler. I know some of you guys are probably doing your taxes right now, and you're probably maybe watching my video to kind of get your mind off doing the taxes, but get it done, it's due today. And thanks for joining me on this journey of ours to grow some avocados, and I'll hopefully be able to show you as much as possible to kind of document what I'm going through, and maybe you guys can see what I'm doing and learn from it, or see what I'm doing and just laugh at me and go, this guy's doing it all wrong. But in any case, we'll do it together. So thanks for watching, and we'll be talking later.